Welcome back, everyone. I personally do not recommend you drive the day of or the day after a winter storm. Whether or not the roads are clean does not matter. If people are stuck, they're stuck. It is total ridiculousness, if that's even a word, to take passengers on a wet, nasty roads that have been cleaned up good, but to get all the nasty salt and road grime from a winter storm all over your vehicle, people to track that crap into your vehicle, and you to take them to and from wherever they want to go, work or not. And not want to appreciate you in any way. Is the most stupidest thing I've ever seen in my life. Yes, I'm going to, and I didn't pen this phrase, but I'm going to call them clowns. So if you're a ride-share customer or a delivery customer that is watching this, you're being called a clown. Because that is what you are. You do not deserve to get in any man or woman's car, any ride share, no Uber, no Lyft at all, without compensating your driver for risking everything that they have for you on any day, but especially after a winter storm. I'm tired of doing it all and getting nothing for it. See you in the next video.